we will calculate median today. So for the median, we had to handle two data, that is if the data has even number of samples and if the data has odd number of samples. So for this data we have total 20 data points, and for this data we have total 21 data points. So to calculate median, we need to sort our data first. That is, if we use the sorted function, then it will sort our data in ascending order. If we print it, after sorting we need the mid index. That is, if we define the mid index with m, then it will be so mid index is 10 here. Now we can calculate our median. So first thing, we for the even number of samples, what we will take, we will need the m-1 index and the m index. Then we will sum it and divide it by 2. Now if we print our result, so 84.5, this is our median for even number of samples. For odd number of samples, we same thing, we need to sort the data first. Then calculating the mid index, same the previous. And just it is easy now. We need to take the m index and it will print our median. So if we don't know our sample is even or odd, we can just write the thing like this: data -1 plus data of m, we need to sum up, then divided it by 2. Then when it will be if our number of entities are even, that is, then if the number of samples isn't even, then it will be. And now if I print it, so this is our median.